That shit, holy
That shit
fuck.
was crazy as fuck, bro.
That jump,
you was too hard, man.
I was not even about to do it, low key, man. I was not even about to do it, and then I
thought he wasn't gonna do that shit, but
what you said when he was up there though?
I said that shit was too hard.
Hey, bro.
That shit was high as fuck. That shit,
there's somebody
I had to jump through the tree, man.
He was up there in the trees, man. Nature boy shit.
Crazy.
Nature boy shit. Hey, and you know,
Nature boy.
look at that.
Hey, Luke, Loki, you can do this with us, man.
I know. I feel like I can do it.
Yo, this right here ain't even that hard.
Gang. Hey, Eastside Legends. Eastside Legends.
Eastside, man.
You feel me? Eastside
Come
Legends,
on, man.
man.
I
We do
lucky
this
I ain't
shit.
got fur on me because
Come
I'm
on.
such a goat, man.
Y'all lucky you ain't got fur, nigga.
Hey, man, we about to climb some
Fucking
shit. We about to get active
Yeah.
for y'all.
Hey,
Y'all about to see something new from the Green Springs.
about to see something new. New content coming for y'all, man. Every motherfucking week, man.
Yeah, we try to get active for y'all, but this weather be...
Bro, this weather be on some bullshit. It was on some. It was beautiful today.
But it started raining on us.
Started raining, but we good though. We already in the water. You feel me? We already active.
Well, we
But,
gotta
hey,
get some more spots for y'all, for real.
We gonna get some more spots, but the spots that we do know, we gonna conquer them spots. Every single one.
Oh yeah, highest legit,
Hey.
man.
You already know. Every day we getting better at it.
Hey, come on, man. We out
on,
here.
man.
We came to
Straight the
Green
fuck
Springs
up.
random as fuck.
Random
low
as
key.
fuck.
This is today's plan.
This
and
is
we
out
already
the
hit
blue.
the highest jump, man.
Already hit the highest jump. in this bitch.
highest. Like we thought we hit the highest last time, but we really came back and we
Came back.
did it for y'all.
I went crazy. And now we about to go crazy again. You hear me?
Man.
Yo, this nigga gives me the fucking jitters, nigga.
Holy shit!
Tony!
Damn!
That was too hard.
Hands free, man. Hands free, man. Hands free. Oh, we don't flip.
He just scared
Yo,
me.
Addis is getting up. Addis is getting up.
He backflop. That boy getting up. He backflop.
Hey. He getting up. Come on, Addis. Like that. There you go. And then use your legs to climb up.
I got both of y'all in the shot.
Lock them in. There you go. Yes, sir.
Hell
Yes,
yeah.
sir. Climb up.
Hell yeah, you up there.
You up there, man. Yes, sir.
Pull yourself up.
There you go. It's safer up there, man. Yeah. You got it. Yes, sir.
Hey, go to the top one, the one above that one.
You gotta step up.
The one above that one.
You gotta step up. Step above that.
The one above that, yup. Hey, go from behind it. Go from behind it.
Yeah, go from behind.
No, you chill.
You chill.
It's only about 45 feet.
Where he at?
He up, man. He up.
Yes, sir.
That's that thing.
Hey, 2, 1, yeah! Talk to me, boy.
Yes, sir.
Green Springs, man. The beautiful Green Springs, bro.
So beautiful.
King of the Springs, man.
King of the Springs.
Springs, bro. We out here. You know, we haven't even made a dent in what we really want to do. And just the simple fact that we're doing stuff like this is like, it's a step in the right direction, bro.
Yo, that's not okay. Never do that. That's not okay. No.
Hey. Oh my goodness. Hey, they busted they shit, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this dude. Oh. Damn, bro. Yeah. Good that shit.
Let's get it! Whoa! Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You know where we at. You know where we at with it. You feel me? We down here. All the way the fuck up. Come on, Luke. We is up here. What's 6? That's tough, Luke. That's tough. Yeah. Woo. I gotta clear this, and then I gotta jump. Seconds. Let's go, Luke! You already know we live in this bitch.
Hold on, hold on.
Man, we finna get caught. Man, we like 50 feet in the air right now. Luke like 10 feet above me. So he like 60 feet in the air right now. Shit crazy, man. Nature boy shit for real, man.
Get up here, man.
To get up here, look at that. My dog had to climb up. You feel me? I'm already high as fuck. We had to climb up this shit, up over there, climb up down there. This like, that's sketchy as fuck right there. That little spot right there. That one crazy. Like, we jumped off of that one the first time we came. Shit was wild. Then we moved up to this one. Nah, we moved up to this one as a matter of fact. And then my dog Luke.
Yeah.
In business, you know, we just leveling up every time we come, bro.
This is it pretty much, man.
This is it. Hey, bro, you can't go up any further than that tree. This is about it.
3, 2, 1, go!
He's a monster!
That was it, baby.